Right, so I have just checked in to a 4-star hotel at Manchester Airport. Let's have a look. So walk through the corridors. And into the room, 401. Now this hotel is a brand new hotel. Literally just been built, like in the last few months. It's only opened in the last few months. So I thought, let's treat myself and stay in a bit of luxury for tonight. So I haven't looked at the room yet. I've just walked in, you've seen it. Hence the reason I'm sweating, because I've just walked miles from an airport. Trust me to park at Terminal 1 airport when this hotel's actually Terminal 2. It took me ages to walk here. So, walk into the room. We've got, that's posh. We've got like a full length wardrobe, plenty of space, with a light that comes on and an iron. That's very handy. A hairdryer there, and we've got a room safe. I don't know whether you have to pay for it or not, but I will investigate. This is the actual room area. Look at this. Ooh. You've got a nice little sitting area, like a L-type settee. I don't know what the real name is, but I'll just call it an L-type settee. That's nice. Oh, that is comfy. I'm going to unpack stuff out of my bag and put it on there. Put my bottles of water that I bought from Home Bargains for 39p a bottle. I bought 3 bottles, better than paying hotel prices. But anyway, let's carry on looking. Got a nice desk here. If anyone wants to do a bit of work or eat food on it, whichever. But nice desk with a lamp. Look at these windows as well. So you've got window there and a window here. Ooh. I like it. I like this a lot. Right opposite Terminal 2. And again, how do you open these? What a bright sunny day. And again, right opposite Terminal 2. It's full-length windows as well, so you get plenty of sun in the room, which is really good things. I'm absolutely boiling, but they've got air conditioning. So, a brand new air conditioning unit. So, it's worth switching it on if you get too hot. TV, I'd say it's a 40-inch TV, probably a bit bigger, 42-inch. Nice brand new Samsung TV. You've got lots of tea, coffee making facilities. Starbucks medium roast coffee. I'll be having that tomorrow morning. And as I was expecting, nice, lovely, clean cups. The bed, I'd say, is a double-sized bed, probably a little bit bigger. Still have phones, even in new hotels have phones. I've never understood that, because most people have mobile phones these days. So you've got the lamps, which I'll be putting on when it's dark to make the room look all nice and cosy. They look nice, little lights hanging down from the ceiling. What do they do? The thing is, the lights won't probably switch on because I haven't put the key card in the thing yet, so maybe it'll be a good idea to do that. But they're in the key card. Okay. Right, let me figure this out. Right, that's the aircon unit anyway, so the aircon will work. Normally when you go in a hotel room, so you get key card because, the lights are working. I'm going to suss that out. I will suss that out and I will get back to it. Nice full-size mirror. Try something else. Now the room lights work. It's got dotted lights around the room. That is awesome. Yeah, got it working. So yeah, that'll be nice when it's dark, putting the lights on. So yeah, for now, let's not waste electric. Let's switch the lights off because it is a very, very bright, sunny room. So, let's go into what I presume is the bathroom. Ooh, nice little light above the sink. Nice fresh smell. This is awesome. Again, Urban Skincare, which was in the hotel I was in London last week. Decent stuff, that. It's not cheap. The stuff like you get in a lot of hotels. Plenty of towels. You got a toilet with a Don't know why I'm looking. Yeah, the toilet with, yeah, toilet basically. Shower. Ah, these are decent showers. That's what you call a rain shower. So when that's on, you've got that one there. So that's a normal shower. And then you've got the rain shower. So how a rain shower works is it's like that. And it's, you stand under and it's like really relaxing. Let's have a look. So that's basically a rain shower. Awesome. Then you've got Resurrect hair wash, tonic hand and body cleanser, and recovery conditioner. And talking about that, I'm taking my shoes off, ready for the bed test. And plus, it's nice to take your shoes off. I've been a hell of a day. It took me 3 hours to drive to Manchester Airport. About half an hour to walk to this hotel. I'm flying out somewhere in the morning, but to know where, you have to keep watching my videos. Now the bed test. And that bed is awesome. Really comfy. That is awesome. So yeah, now you're asking, where is this hotel at? I need to stay here. Well, this hotel is, in fact, the brand new Holiday Inn Hotel at Manchester Airport, right opposite Terminal 2. This room cost me, I think it was about £90, but it does vary between 90 up to, say, 130. I did get this relatively cheap. I actually booked a Premier Inn to begin with and then cancelled it for this room because I wanted a bit of luxury. And with it being a new hotel and 4 stars, I knew it's going to be luxury, but I didn't know it was going to be this awesome. This is awesome. This is possibly the best hotel I've stayed in. Well, definitely the best hotel I've stayed in 2023. But in the last couple of years, I'd say this is up there with the best what I've seen first sight. But I have only just got here. Literally walked in the room as I started recording. So I am going to get showered, relax, get my refreshments out my rucksack, which I'll do now. So this is what I take with me when I stay in expensive airport hotels. 1, 2, a cheeky lager, another water, and another water. You've got to keep refreshed. One thing it is missing, I've just noticed, is I haven't got a mini fridge. Ooh, I could do with a fridge to put my drinks in. Let me double check. Yeah, it's got no mini fridge, but we'll let them off for that. And for now, it's over and out for me. Thanks for watching, and keep watching to see where I'm flying to tomorrow.